Alright guys, we just want to take out the feed cylinder of Power Rook T35. It's leaking already. Then we replace the cylinder cell for the T35 Power Rook. Alright guys, we just work together as a team. If you work together as a team, it's easy to work, you know. You just lift up the cylinder, just take out from the beam and put it down. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please support my YouTube channel, Marlito Samelo Jr. You know, we can go in so that you can check the feed cylinder, so that you have knowledge to pull out sometimes, you know. That's the hole.